How's it going, guys? Today we're going to show you how to install Windows on one computer and one laptop. That's the name of that laptop. It is one Latitude E6230. I'm going to show you that. That is the model. Okay, my computer is very dirty. It is, dirty. I'm sorry. Okay, so we need to do some things. Maybe you have created a USB. I have my USB connected already plugged to the computer here. Sorry about my room, it's very messy. Okay, so and you are pressing F12. Let me light up my keypad here. Okay, and you are pressing F12 because you need to press F12 to, oh my god, you need to press F12 to get this menu when the computer is turning on, when you see that Dell logo. Okay, once you see the Dell logo, you are going to press F12. Okay, let's light up the keyboard. You're going to press F12 and you're going to see this menu, and you want to install Windows with that USB app that you have created with Windows download tool. So I'm going to show you the way what you have to do to be able to install that Windows that operative system Windows. If maybe you have Windows 10, maybe you want to upgrade, you want to format the computer because you have virus, all that. So let's get into it. It's not enough chick chat. So you're going to go to, first you're going to scroll down with like your keyboard with the arrows. Okay, you're going to I'm not going to do that, so you're going to basically scroll down and you're going to press enter. I'm going to enter my BIOS password. Just wait on me. If you don't have one BIOS password, you don't need to do that. You don't need to insert a password. So here you're going to see two different options. This is secure boot. So you need to turn off. As you can see, you're going to see secure boot on. You need to turn off that. And boot mode is set to UEFI. So you need to have legacy on there if you want to install like another Windows versions that you download, on the website. So, and yeah, you're going to select that option. It's going to be here, secure boot off. Oh, you are going to select this one, that first one, legacy boot mode, secure boot off. So I think this one is going to do the trick. So because we don't want UEFI, that is, I don't know, that is for another thing. So what we need to select is legacy boot. So I'm going to hit enter. Do you wish to proceed? Yes, of course. And you're going to see this warning here. Let's see if my camera focus. Okay, you can like pause the video and read all that. So I'm going to hit enter one more time to proceed. So, and after that I'm going to apply changes with the enter key. And after that I'm going to press F12. I'm going to have the same menu once again. I'm pressing F12. Okay. And on this time you're going to see USB storage device. I think you can install Windows from there, but just to make sure, I'm going to go to the BIOS setup. Going to highlight that option, BIOS setup. I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to go to the BIOS and I'm going to lock it first. I'm going to unlock it first. I'm going to click here and I'm going to enter my password one more time. Okay, I've unlocked it. So here you want to do some things. Okay, the first one is to go to boot sequence, as you can see here, and you're going to uncheck CD, DVD, CDR W, and disk dry, and this last one too. So you don't want those ones. You only need internal HD and USB storage device. That is the way that people do the things right now. Just by USB, we don't use our things anymore. So I'm going to, I clicked on apply, so now it's gray out. It was like light up before, so I have clicked on apply. To apply the changes, and I'm going to move to advanced boot options and make sure that you have that option enabled. Enable legacy options, enable legacy option rooms. Okay, this is the description, and you need to go to secure boot here and secure boot enable, just to make sure secure boot enable is, it is this one here. Come on, okay. Here, I'm sorry, I'm speaking Spanish. Secure boot, and you are going to click on secure boot, and you need to make sure that it is disabled. This is the same step that we did before from the F12 menu. When you go to, when we did go to that option, when we went to that option and deactivate the option, select secure both secure boot off and legacy option. So right now you can do it from here. If you are not able to do it from there, you only need to go to the BIOS and go here, secure boot, and click on this one, and you're going to see disable. And as you can see, it's not giving me the option to update anything because it's already done. I've done that. So that it'll be it. The boot sequence, we're not going to touch that. Boot sequence. Boot sequence, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to show you the menus one more time. You can see advanced boot options. Okay, and the last one, secure boot. If you first, when you first click on that, you're not going to have anything. You need to click on secure boot, and after that should be on disable. And after that, we're not going to touch anything here because we don't want to mess it all up. So I'm going to return, click exit, and hopefully it's going to let me install the Windows. So I think yeah, it's rebooting right now. So F12 again, and I'm going to go to my, you're going to see this menu, and now it'll be boot mode is set boot mode is set to legacy. Boot mode is set to legacy, secure boot off. And to install from the USB, you're going to highlight the USB storage device, and after that you're going to click enter as always, and it'll be booting from there. So that is the way that you install Windows ROMs on these computers. So Jesus Christ bless you all.